All, ang lahat ng bagay ay inaari kong kalugihan dahil sa higit na kahalagahan na makilala si Kristo Jesus ng Panginoon ko. Alang-alang sa Kanya itiniis ko ang kalugihan ng lahat ng mga bagay at inaari kong basura lamang upang makamit si Kristo.
Kaya lamang napapalibutan tayo ng gayong kakapal na bilang ng mga saksi. Itabi natin ang bawat pabigat at ang pagkakasalang madaling bumibitag sa atin.
Philippians chapter 3 verse 8. Higit pa roon ng lahat ng mga bagay ay inaari kong kalugihan dahil sa kahalagahang makilala si Kristo Jesus na Panginoon ko. Alang-alang sa Kanya'y tiniis ko ang kalugihan ng lahat ng mga bagay at inari kong basura lamang upang makamit si Kristo.
Hebreo 12 chapter 12 verse 1a. Kaya't yamang napapalibutan tayo ng gayong kakapal na bilang ng mga saksi, itabi natin ang bawat pabigat at ang pagkakasalang madaling bumibitag sa atin.
When I get to heaven, gonna walk with Jesus. When I get to heaven, gonna see His face. When I get to heaven, gonna talk with Jesus. Saved by His wonderful grace, because I'm saved, wonderfully saved. Washed by the blood of the Lamb, because I'm saved, wonderfully saved. And I'm so glad I am, hallelujah. When I get to heaven, gonna walk with Jesus. When I get to heaven, gonna see His face. When I get to heaven, gonna talk with Jesus. Saved by His wonderful grace.
Let's do it one more time.
Get to heaven, gonna walk with Jesus. When I get to heaven, gonna see His face. When I get to heaven, gonna talk with Jesus. Saved by His wonderful grace, because I'm saved, wonderfully saved. Washed by the blood of the Lamb, because I'm saved, wonderfully saved. And I'm so glad I am, hallelujah. When I get to heaven, gonna walk with Jesus. When I get to heaven, gonna see His face. When I get to heaven, gonna talk with Jesus. Saved by His wonderful grace.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Joseph Corona.
And I am Bradley Sigarigar.
And we are the representatives of the Red Phoenix.
Okay po, so this is our main flag po. So we chose the Red Phoenix to symbolize our team strength, resilience, and passion rising from challenges within this fellowship camp. The cross po represents our faith. The phoenix itself stands for our fight and determination. And the finish line po reminds us that the race we run together towards our purpose po. And as the Fellowship Red Team, we rise, fight, and believe burning bright with faith in fire po.
And the last thing here is this quote. Keep the good fight, finish the race, and keep the faith. Yung una po is keep the good fight. The Red Phoenix team never backs down from challenges. Kahit anuman pong pagsubok o kahit anuman pong hamon sa laro or sa mga activities na kinaharap namin within this day, and yung kahapon po na kinaharap nila, nalilaksan po ko, ay hindi po sumuko yung Red Phoenix and ipinagpatuloy yung laban nila with a fair and square na pakikipaglaro sa iba. And also, hindi lamang po kami nakikipaglaro or hindi lamang po kami sumasali sa mga activities gamit lamang ang aming lakas, kundi pati gamit na rin ang aming puso. Pangalawa is finish the race. No matter how long or hard the journey is, the Red Phoenix team pushes through. They don't stop halfway, they go all the way together until the mission is done. Hindi po kami sumusuko kahit alam po namin na may posibilidad na matalo kami ng ibang grupo. Bagos kami po ay nagpapatuloy at sinisigurado po namin na gagawin namin yung best namin sa bawat activities na gagawin namin. Lastly, keep the good faith. Even when things seem possible or when they're close to losing, they hold onto their hope, their values, and their trust in each other. That is what makes them unbreakable. That's what makes us unbreakable. And so for the Red Phoenix team, this phrase means we keep fighting for what matters and we don't give up. And we always believe in ourselves, in each other, and in the gospel. And last is you. And with the team, fight the good fight
Finish the race.
and eat the faith.
Ito po yung mantis namin na may hawak na torch. Imagine na lang po na hinawakan. Hindi po kasi yan. Yung simbolo po ay fighting the good fight. Hindi kami basta sumusugod, Lumalaban kami ng may liwanag, may direksyon.
Maliwanag yung fight.
Dito naman po sa gilid, may flag yan yung finish line. Paalala sa amin na kahit mahirap ang laban, kailangan namin tapusin ang race.
Ito po. Ang taas na sinisilawan ng ilaw sa gitna ng mga ulap niya ng faith namin kahit maraming pagsubok. Si Lord pa rin ang liwanag at lakas namin.
So, makikita nyo naman po sa flag namin na Black Panther, kasi nga Black Panther kami. Yes. Black Panther, may kulay na black kasi black kami. It represents our team as black. So, bakit Panther? We chose Black Panther because the Black Panther is associated usually with strength, courage, stealth, and resilience. And we believe that the black team, our team, we are resilient, we are courageous, we are strong. Tapos, eto po, ayan, makikita nyo, may post dyan. Lahat po ng mga bata dito, ginano nila yan. And may correlation po yan sa team. Tapos, ganito po, ganito. Merong mga marks dyan na nakaganto. Keep the good fight. Ayan. Fight. We keep the good fight. We fight the, yes. Kasi, malakas nga kami eh. Kasi, ganun kami, ganun. Lagi kami sumasukses, ganun kami ka-strong. Yes. Tapos ganito po, meron naman dito nakaganon. Ganon. Kasi, kita nyo po, trail yan. The race. Hindi po kami nagbaback down, hindi kami natigil. The progress, yes, ganyan yan. Kasi, dire-diretso kami, yes. Tapos, ganito, after nito, ganito naman. Kasi, faithful kami, we believe in ourselves, we believe in the Lord. Ganon kami ka-faithful. Ganon ang black team, faithful kami. Tapos, lastly, the leaves. Ang leaves po na yan, we can correlate it sa Hebrews. Ano nga yun? Chapter 12, verse 1. Ang leaves na to, ang sinisimbolize po niyan is yung sins, the weight, yung kay Achan po. Na ang gusto po namin iparating is na ina-acknowledge namin yung leaves. Pero at the same time, iniiwan namin yung sins namin. Kasi nagsisisi kami. Ganun ang black team. So, ganun po kami, yes. We are resilient, we are strong, we are faithful, at nagsisisi kami kasi iniiwanan namin yung mga dahon kapag natakbo kami. Thank you po.
The white tiger. So first of all, nakikita niyo yung animal, it is a tiger. So, a tiger ay madalas yellow, orange, pero ang amin po is white. So first of all, pinili po namin ang tiger because of its first and strong looking aura. So, ayan po, pinili namin siya because of its strong-looking aura, and it relates to our team, which is fight the good fight, finish the race, and keep the faith. Fight the good fight, the tiger represents the strong-looking aura, like the white team po. We always fight and we always keep our strong personalities po. Then finish the race, even though po hindi po kami lagi nananalo, first we always keep competitive and finish the race with confidence and our competitiveness po. And keep the faith, our group always put God first po. Then, fun fact about the white tigers that they are super rare. In 10,000 tigers, there's only one. So it is 1 in a 10,000 tigers. It represents our team because we are unique and one of a kind. Then, you could also see some flowers and butterflies. It represents the verse, Hebrews chapter 12 verse 1a. Sinabi doon na itabi natin ang bawat pabigat at pagkakasalang madaling bumibitag sa atin. The butterflies and flowers represents peace, and which shows kung paano namin sinamtabi ang bawat pabigat. And as you can see, our team's banner is not like other banners na intimidating and scary looking. Our looks more peaceful and little touch of fierce because our team quotation stands, we are the best and the purest!
Let's explore the Bible book by book, it's true. A journey of faith for me and you. Start with Old Testament, a wonderful sea. Let's count 39 with glee. Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1 Samuel, 2 Samuel, 1 Kings, 2 Kings, Chronicles 1 and 2, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Song of Songs, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi. Yeah, those are the 39. Now let's explore the New Testament. A story divine, 27 books, a treasure to find. Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Acts, Romans, 1 Corinthians, 2 Corinthians,